make a 3D image at home? Then watch the video till the end. Hi friends, welcome to Angudan Action. Today I am going to demonstrate you how to make a 3D hologram at home. Making a hologram, we need a mobile and a plastic bottle. Put the neck portion of the bottle and you will get like this. Take one more cut like this. Fold like this. And again opposite direction. You will get a shape like square. Your mobile, go to YouTube, search hologram videos. You will get plenty of video. Select one video and keep your plastic bottle in the middle. Switch off the lights. Is a 3D projection or a special kind of picture that exists freely above the surface and is visible to everyone without the need of 3D glasses.